Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So all are new to my channel. So please subscribe my channel. Here is my channel name, and who all wanted to know the notification. So just select the all options so that you will get notification for the coming videos. So I'll be covering today's topic called AWS CLI. So command line interface, how we can able to communicate with the networking, okay, and EC2, okay, and DynamoDB, any services in the AWS services, how we can able to communicate it. Okay, so I'm going to talk about some 2-3 sample scenario how we can able to use it using the command line interface. Okay, so before that, let me go to the official documentation. Okay, so if you are using anyone from Windows, you can just download the AWS CLI to interact with AWS. For Mac OS, Linux, okay, and Amazon Linux. So here is the setup to install it. Okay, and if you come down, so there is a AWS shell developer for a preview. Okay, you can use the commands here, and how we can able to use it. Okay, so here are some of the sample. Okay, so this is also we can able to use it. Okay, so let's go for the get started. Okay, so here all the official documentation details will be there, and version 1, version 2, all the details it will be there. This is also you can able to use it. Other than that, some if you want any reference for the AWS CLI, so here is all the services details. Okay, so for example, if you need EC2, okay, come to here so that it will give the all related details. For example, Apache volume. Okay, so how we can able to use the AWS CLI. Okay, they have given the reference for the reference also. For example, this is a command we can able to use it. How we can able to attach the EC2 machine and device ID, everything we need to give it. Okay, so sample details, everything it is already available. Okay, and for installation it is very easy. Just copy the link and download it in our system. You can able to use it. So if you come to the GitHub project, here is the GitHub for the official documentation. So from here we can able to contribute it. Okay, so let's get started some of the things. So in this case, I'm going to use a cloud shell. Okay, so so let's verify it. So AWS CLI, it is configured or not. Okay, let me come to here, installer. Let me check the versions, everything. So I'm using a Linux. Okay, sorry, it is Red Hat. Okay, let me verify that first. AWS CLI it is installed or not. So you can use it. This is also, and you can use we can able to use it. AWS this command also, so that it will show us is it installed or not. So as of now it is already up to date also. Okay. So now what I'm going to do. So let me come to the console and let me go to the VPC. Okay. So right now if you're able to see it by default, there is already VPC created. Okay. Now my what is my query is I wanted to describe about the VPC. Okay. So now there is a command. Okay, to describe it. Okay. So this is going to be describe the all the related VPCs. Okay. So if you're able to see it, cidr range and VPC details, it is available. Okay. If you come to here also, it is showing same thing only. D3. Okay. From here also D3 and the cidr-block also it is same. Okay. So this is how we can able to describe it. Okay. And if you wanted to describe about subnet and the specific subnet, for example, okay, let me come to here. Okay, 1A or 1B. Okay, let's talk about 1A subnet. Okay, so this is a one. So let's describe the subnets here. So I'm going to use a command called here. Okay, I'm going to describe the subnets. That's it. Okay, if you're able to see it, 1A and availability zone and availability, sorry, the count of the IP address. Okay, and subnet-id 9E4. Okay, if you come to here, 9E4. Okay, this is the one, and it is available in the 1A. Okay, so this is all about subnet. Okay, so let's clear it if you want. So let's exit from here. Let's clear it. Let me describe the all the subnets. Okay, so that is also possible. Okay, so you can edify it. Just you can hit enter. It will go and it will show it. Okay, all the subnet in the this region only. Okay, because we are using North Virginia. So let's hit and other than this, so we have a security group also. Okay, it is not like one services. We can able to describe it anything. We can able to create it. Okay, at that time also I'm going to show you how we can able to create the services using the AWS CLI. Okay, so now we can able to describe the security group also. Okay, so the security group name is default. Okay, if you come to here also, this is a default one and 646. Okay, the ID. Okay, if you're able to see it, group ID is 646. Okay, so this is how we can able to describe it. Okay, and if you want, let me go to the EC2 section and let's say that we have any key or not. Okay, there is a test key. Okay, I wanted to describe the key pair also. Okay, so the same thing you can just execute the command that describe key pairs. So if it is 10,000 of key pairs, that is going to be shows here. Okay, so let's remove it here. Okay, so this is a key name. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a VPC. Okay, let's go to the VPC section here. Let's verify that. So we have only one VPC as of now. Okay, so now I'm going to create a one more VPC. Okay, so again this is a command. It is available in the official documentation. Okay, we can use it. Okay, so here it is showing all the details. Okay, let's exit here and come to the AWS console here. Okay, see if you're able to see it, it is already by default. This is the default network, but my default my I have created this is the one. Okay, in the command everything I have mentioned everything side range. Okay, and VPC ID also it is showing here 3F. So this is how we can able to create the VPC. So let me come to the EC2. How we can able to create EC2. So again this is a command and I'm going to use a type and key pair name security group. I'm going to use it because I've already filled all the details. Okay. So security group where we can get it? Can get it from here. Okay. Any group, any security group we can mention it. Okay. For example, 64X. Okay. I'm using. Okay. EMI. Okay. If you want to need specifically EMI. Okay. Come to here. Just launch any instance. From here you will get to know. So what is here it is showing? C6, right? Maybe I'm going to okay. Let's copy this one. Let's paste it here. Okay, we can create the Amazon. Okay, and this is going to be subnet. Okay, so it is already there. Let me come to here and verify that 9E4. So 9E4. Okay, so 1 year selected. Okay, let's go and hit enter. So this is going to be create a EC2 machine. Let's come to the EC2 section. and from here you can just observe it. You will get the one of the instance. Are you able to see it? Still addition pending. Okay, so this is how we can able to create it many services using the CLI. Okay, so then if you wanted to create any tables, okay, for the DynamoDB, okay, just go to the DynamoDB first. So it will take time for to create the EC2 machine. Let's wait for a year. Okay, so it is already run. Okay, this is how we can able to create a EC2 machine using the AWS CLI. Now let me come to the tables. So there is no tables. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a table. Okay, so I have a command here. So this is going to be create a table name called MusicCollection while calling put item operation requested. That's very great. Resource not found. Okay, we have not yet created. Okay, okay, let's create first. Okay, it is showing that table status is creating. Let's go to here. Okay, so it is created. Okay, let's come to here and I'm going to create the tables here again and some of the data I'm just filling it up here and I'm going to add some more data in the same. Okay, so let's come to here, just refresh it. Okay, if you're able to see it, you'll get the data. This is how you can able to create the data also. Okay, so this is all about AWS CLI. So this is not like a limited things. Okay, there is a lot of we can create a services, but you need to verify the official documentation. Okay, and you can just use for the command reference all the services details available here. Okay, so this is all about today's session, guys. Okay, so I'll just share all the content in the my YouTube channel description. You can just use the notes, everything. Okay, so till that, so all are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Till that, bye bye, see you.